quit saving your money. Financial guru Grant Cardone says. Real estate investment guru Grant Cardone says Americans should quit saving if they want to build true wealth. Cardone, who goes by the nickname Uncle G, recently shared his 2 cents on Twitter. That full-time job won't bring you wealth. Overspending won't bring you wealth. Being scared won't bring you wealth. There's only one thing that will help you build real wealth, beyond millions of dollars, according to Cardone. He says you need to invest. That's what my parents did. They saved money. They didn't invest their money correctly. They didn't take money and leverage it into real investments because they were terrified of losing their money. Cardone claims there are asset classes out there where you can never lose your money, such as real estate that generates cash flow and appreciates in value over time. That advice comes as no surprise given that Cardone built a real estate empire, which he says contains almost 8,000 units of cash flow producing real estate, worth over $4 billion, from scratch. Interested in emulating Cardone's success? Here are 3 ways you can start investing in real estate without needing heaps of cash to get started. 1. Real estate investment trusts. Investing in a real estate investment trust, REIT, is a way to profit from the real estate market without having to buy physical real estate or worry about landlord duties like screening tenants, fixing damages, and chasing down late payments. Essentially, REITs are giant landlords. To qualify as an REIT, a company must pay out at least 90% of its taxable income to shareholders as dividends each year, in addition to other requirements. In exchange, they pay little to no income tax at the corporate level. Generally, REITs are described as high-return investments that provide solid dividends and the potential for moderate, long-term capital appreciation. Also, as REITs are publicly traded, you can buy or sell shares anytime and your investment can be as little or as large as you want, unlike buying a house, which usually requires a hefty down payment followed by a mortgage. 2. Real estate ETFs. If you're looking for an easy way to invest in real estate without having to pick and choose which stocks to buy and sell, consider exchange-traded funds ETFs. As the name suggests, ETFs trade on major exchanges, making them convenient to buy and sell. The Vanguard Real Estate ETF, for example, provides investors with broad exposure to U.S. REITs. You can also check out the Real Estate Select Sector SPDR Fund, which aims to replicate the real estate sector of the S&P 500 index. 3. Crowdfunding platforms. The crowdfunding process, which was championed by Cardone, allows everyday investors to pool their money to purchase property, or a share of property, as a group. Through a crowdfunding platform, you can buy a percentage of physical real estate, including rental properties to commercial properties. You can even buy a stake in digital real estate. Some options are targeted at accredited investors, sometimes with higher minimum investments that can reach tens of thousands of dollars. If you are not an accredited investor, many platforms let you invest small sums, even as low as $100. Sponsors of crowdfunded real estate deals usually charge fees to investors, typically in the range of 0.5% to 2.5% of whatever you've invested.